Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon, and for quite some time now, I've been talking about this platform called TASKRABBITVIP, and this platform has been paying back to back. Okay, you can look at my history right here, and I've been making withdrawal from this platform every single time. And what you just do on this platform is just to perform simple tasks, and once those tasks is being completed, you will be paid for it. They have different packages you can actually buy. You see, I've made over and 92,000 withdrawal. I bought a package of 150k, and I've made 192,000 withdrawals so far. And now the interesting thing about this platform right now is that look at it now. If you register with my link below now, because this they just completed 1 month, if you register with my link below now, you will be given 1,000 hours welcome bonus. Yes. Now, when I actually started this platform, what they give before now was 300 naira. But if you register with my link right now, as a 1 month give, as a 1 month being existent, they're going to give you 1,000 welcome bonus. So don't miss that opportunity right now and grab into it. So guys, they have different package you can actually purchase. Let me go to the back end, so that you see different packages you can actually purchase and you start making money right now. On my account, I make a profit of, let me show you different plans they have. On my account, I make a profit of 100 and 1,500 naira every day. So actually, you can see this platform you shall be paying. If you bought a 3,000 naira package, you'll be making 150 naira every day. If you buy a 10,000 naira package, you'll be making 500 naira daily. If you buy a 30,000 naira package, you'll be making 1.5 every day. Guys, this platform has been paying. And let me check the WhatsApp group and see activity that is going on there. So guys, this is the WhatsApp group, and you can see different screenshots that have been going. People have been making withdrawals every day. New videos have been dropping. So guys, make sure you want to join this platform if you haven't. Make sure you want to join the platform if you haven't. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to make a live withdrawal. Let me log in back to my account. I'll make live withdrawal right away. So I've logged into my account, and that payout system is very fast. So I'm just going to withdraw 2,000 naira right now. So I don't want this video to be very long. I'm still going to make other videos about how to deposit. You can have it if you want to deposit. Just copy this account number and make your deposit. Haven't done that, you state the amount and you upload your screenshot. As simple as that. You can pay in crypto, Bitcoin, and USDT. That's very simple. So what I'm going to do is just for me to withdraw. So come to withdraw button. I'm going to withdraw in Naira. I'm going to withdraw just let's say 2,000 Naira, 2,500. I'm just going to hit on the submit button. Okay, your withdrawal has been processing. So I'm going to pause this video and wait how long I'm going to get my withdrawal. So look at the time up there. So guys, I've just been credited right away. So let me see. You can see my debit. Come on, you can see I don't want to show my account number, but you can see I've just been credited right away from TASKRABBITVIP. And if you go through, you see that what I actually withdraw was, let me see, 2,500 right now, and I've been credited by TASKRABBITVIP, and they remove 10% obviously, which is 250. So guys, while you are still dulling, this website is actually paying. And if you register with my link right now, you'll be given 1,000 naira welcome bonus, which you can actually withdraw once you buy a package. So see you guys and enjoy.